How to copy LinkedIn profile link. So if you want to copy your profile link, then first of all open up your LinkedIn app. Then make sure to log into your LinkedIn, and then on the upper left corner you will have your profile icon. Tap on your profile and again tap on view profile. And before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here right side of add section you will have a three dots icon. Tap on those three dots and then tap on share profile through, and here you will have a copy option. Tap on copy, and that's it guys, you have copied your link. So if you want to share that link, you can simply tap on the three dots again and then you can tap share, and from here you can tap any app or any chat that you would like to share your link. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.